testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back.
I'm John Smith.
I'm James Kanopka.
Yo, I'm John Smith, and I'm going to talk today about solar energy with my homie, James Kanopka.
Wait, what? Oh, hi.
Yo, James, I got a question for you.
Alright, John, what is it?
You know, I've been thinking, these solar panels seem to provide so much energy. But why do we not use them more?
Well, John, that's a great question that I will answer later.
Wait, what?
Well, before we talk about the limitations of solar energy, we need to talk about solar energy in general.
Okay, well, solar energy comes from the sun, right?
That's right, John. Now, how does solar energy make electricity?
Well, James, you see, the sun is special and releases much light, which is reflected by mirrors into a motor, which heats water, which makes steam, which turns another motor and creates electricity.
Wow, John, that's really smart.
Yeah, my mom's been telling me that for years.
Sure she has. Now, what does energy provide?
Stuff?
Not quite, John. You see, solar energy can be used for passive and active things. Some of the passive means that solar energy can be used for are drying clothes, warming water, even cooking. The active use is capturing the light and converting the light into electricity.
I never knew that.
I'm not surprised that you didn't know that.
What? So then why doesn't everybody have solar panels?
Well, John, it's more complicated than going out and getting a solar panel.
Really? I thought it was.
John, you're wrong, but let me explain why.
Go ahead, wise guy.
Okay, John. Well, for starters, solar panels are made out of solar-grade silicon, as well as solar cells and light-absorbing dyes.
Okay, so why doesn't everyone have solar panels then? I mean, like, come on.
Another good question, John. You see, these solar panels are great for capturing energy. It's the ability to store the energy for long periods of time that makes these panels cost so much.
How so?
Well, first of all, you would have to check to see how much energy your house consumes at a period of time.
Okay, check.
Then you have to consider where you live.
Why's that, James?
Well, you see, John, it can affect the number of solar panels. For example, if you live in an area with a lot of trees, then you'll need more solar panels. On the other hand, if you live by the beach, you probably get plenty of sun and you won't need as many solar panels.
Oh, now I understand.
Took you long enough.
Wait, so that's it?
Actually, no, John. You also need to take into account the amount of power your house uses and then plan accordingly. Also, solar panels only use around 43% of the energy that it collects.
That's not even half.
Exactly.
Wow. Thanks so much, James, but I still got questions. Questions about other things.
Maybe some other time, Noah. Okay, so we're going to show you how to assemble a solar panel. So you have the solar panel, the wires. Noah, show them the wires.
These right here are the wires. There's a plus wire and there's a minus wire. And they go into the box, the plus and the minus. So right now I'm going to lift up the solar panel and I'm going to check which one's the plus and which one's the minus. So we got this one right here is the plus, this one's the minus. So this one is going to go, this one's going to go into here, right up in there. And this one's going to go in here. And as you can see, as I plugged it in right away, if you want to look, it already went up all the way since we have the 100 milliamps on. Alright, that's how you set up a solar panel. Wait a minute. Oh no. James, I need you back here. I have another question. One more question, I promise you.
Okay.
So what about the stakeholders? Why would they like solar panels?
Well, the primary stakeholders are landowners who allow solar panels to be put on their land for money.
Ah, I see. That makes sense to me now. Thanks a lot, James. You've been a great help for me today.
You're welcome.